If you are a business owner or entrepreneur, you know how important communication is for having a successful company. It is the pathway for investors, happy clients, better team relationships, and overall health and growth of a company. Come learn how to speak in a style that sounds convincing and smart and from your stronger, more powerful voice. Having highly polished business communication skills and confidence will position you and your employees to negotiate with confidence, close every deal, grow your business revenue. Come learn how with our e-learning business communication class that has been specifically designed for business owners and entrepreneurs. I'm Liz Peterson, speech-language pathologist for over 20 years. Join the hundreds of successful clients who have worked with me to grow a successful business through skilled communication.